In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12S, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then scroll down again and tap on Emergency SOS. Now it's time to click on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Emergency Contacts at the bottom. Finally, tap on the one that you wish to set up and tap on Cancel or OK in a Notify Contact pop-up. Then do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. If you want to change placement of your contacts, click on this icon at the top right corner, drag them to switch places, and go back. To delete one of them instead, use the same button, but this time use this X next to the chosen contact to get rid of it. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!